Alright, this is going to be a sort of a remake video of my feiss Tallman ceiling fan. Yeah, I got this fan on Facebook Marketplace for $25, and that light kit is not original. It came from Home Depot. So, yeah. Cane blades. The cane side's facing down, as you can see. Alright, I'll start up on low speed. When I got this off Facebook Marketplace, it came with its box, but I ended up throwing out the box a few months ago because it was starting to decay and stuff like that. I purchased this fan in like 2023, so yeah. Low speed on this fan is pretty good, very respectable at low speed. I'm going to be replacing this fan soon. But, yeah. Here's the light. So, yeah. Alright. Medium speed, here we go. Here's the top view of it. Yeah, I really like this fan. There's a pretty good amount of air on medium speed, which is very nice, but again, I plan on replacing this fan because I didn't really want it in my room at this moment. I wanted to save it for the summer, so I'm gonna be replacing it soon again. So yeah, here's the light. It's been a pretty good fan. I don't really run it that often though because it's still the beginning of spring and it's been pretty cold. Here's high speed. It's a little noisy on high speed, but it moves a very good amount of air. For some reason, the globe shakes a little bit. But yeah, it moves a great amount of air. I don't know if the camera can really catch it well, but it moves a pretty good amount of air. Here's the light. Oh, it's starting to shake again. Alright, reverse time. Yep. Pretty nice. It's very windy outside, as you can kind of tell by the basketball hoop. Yep. Alright. So, yep. There's the startup noise. Alright. Alright. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.